Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm audible to you.
Yes,
Okay. How are you, Akhil?
fine, fine.
Okay. Where are you currently?
I'm there in Andhra, sir, in my hometown.
Where at Andhra?
Pulivendala, Kadapa.
Kadapa. How come your sister went to Hyderabad and you're still at Pulavendula?
We didn't get a call from the Byju's to present in office.
Are you aware that I'm the one who placed your sister at?
Yes,
Okay. How's it going, Akhil? It's been how long?
it's been 8 months.
8 months now, and you're happy, right?
Yeah, uh,
All
sir,
over
your
the.
voice.
Okay. Is it proper now?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay. Is all your pressure worth it?
yeah.
Okay, how are you feeling? Like how it started? Like, can you explain about yourself? What are you? What is your name? What's your background and how it all started? And what's your current condition?
Okay. Myself, Gokul, and I'm basically from Andhra Pradesh, Kadapa. Uh, I have coming to my family background. We are three members. My father is a senior assistant in government junior college, and my mother also senior assistant in government junior college
Mhm.
in my hometown only. And I have placed Byju's on January 16th uh, with the PSA, like pre-sales associate. Hello, sir, it's audible.
You're audible. You're fine. You can continue. So you're placed as BDA.
Yeah. First, I have placed as a have given interview for BDA,
Mhm.
and then I have placed for PSA. So my roles there, I have to qualify the leads in Byju's, and we have to send these leads to the manager, and manager will send these leads to the sales department,
Mhm.
where they will convince that thing. And when we are talking with the customers, some are will be a potential customers, some will not be not interested candidates. We have to convince the customers to how it will be helpful for their children and that.
So it's
So
it's all related to cold calling, I guess, right?
yeah, cool.
Mhm. So you'll be talking about their like why they have registered through Byju's through your app and what are they going to get the benefit out of it. And if they are interested, you will conclude that lead to be prospect lead, or else you'll just throw it back in the trash, right?
Yeah.
What was your previous job and how did you approach me? Is it clear? It doesn't seem to be. So I just wanted to know, like, how did you approach me? What made you to leave your previous job and to approach me and to get hired as a pre-sales manager? So what all brought you to this level?
First, I have got struck in the final round of interview with the BDA. So I have taken the suggestions from Fire Sir how it will when the what are the interview rounds for the Byju's, and he given me the suggestions, and it is very helpful to crack the second round and third round of interviews. In second round, it went 1.5 hours for me for the interview, and they asked for the core sales, how you will make the sales. They have given the scenario based questions, one or two scenario based questions they have given me. With the helpful for the sir, I have given the answers, what to say, everything I have informed them, and I have cracked the interview of the second round. And third round, I have went with uh, managerial round from the sales department. So it is helpful for the crack the scenario based questions.
Mhm.
And yeah,
I think you didn't recognize me by my voice because I'm the one who speak with you in the first since the beginning of the call and till I'm the one. I think you are seeing me for the first time, and you heard about me, and you know me by my voice, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, just wanted to congratulate you from bottom of my heart to reach to this extent that you survived all these 8 months. Within 8 months, you reached to the top level, that is like you are now currently working as team leader, I guess, right?
Yes.
Okay. So how did you reach me? Like who gave my contact, and how it happened to connect with me?
Sir, one of my sister, she is working as a BDA,
Mm-hmm.
and through my sister, I got your number, and I have contacted you with the queries of how to crack the interview, and based on your thoughts and all, I have cleared the interview.
Okay. Is she your cousin?
She is my cousin sister.
Okay, to brief you her role, she's also working as a team leader and she's making good money. She is into like 10 lakhs per annum. And as well as she's a team leader, she's leading the team and she'll be provided all amenities, traveling allowances, etc. She's into good role. And yours is also like pretty much good role where you don't have stress and you have offs like Saturday, Sunday is compulsory off for you, right? Or
Yes.
you or it will be based on the manager.
No, it's a compulsory week off.
Mm-hmm.
If we will not do the target for 1 week,
Mm-hmm.
sometimes our manager will ask
Will
to
ask
work.
to stay back and work. That's there, that because if you don't work they'll ask you to stay back. So may I know like what were you earning previously and what is your current hike?
Previously, I'm getting 3.75 as a fixed pay plus 1 lakh is a variable pay.
Mhm.
And now I have went to 5.8 as a fixed pay, and 2 is available.
Mm. Very good, like you don't have any pressure, you just have to get prospect leads and you're all set, right? So it's
Yes.
like a pretty good salary that you're making. And to brief you exactly how it all started with an organization, I being a one man army, now we are elaborated with 10 more employees and we are getting up. And my sole goal is to improvise all the candidates, and we are starting up with something called communication skills. See, most of the candidates gets rejected only because of communication skills. So 10 out of 9 jobs do demand for English is the priority. So everyone demands for communication skills. That's all we starting up. So I'm helping out all the candidates to get hired and to get their communication to that grounds that they meet a good decent job according to their education. So as in you are interested in sales, I just fitted you into the right platform and the right plate that you desired of. So if someone is interested in some other profile, and if they have zeal to achieve, and if they want to get trained, so though it may be technical or non-technical, I'll be helping and supporting the candidates to get a technical knowledge and to crack them interviews, etc. So that's the main criteria that I do follow. So how is the feeling, like what is your experience out of all this, how it was like since the beginning to the end, how was it, your journey? I just wanted to know, like how was it painful in the beginning, or like how are you feeling now, like from the beginning to end? what were your
Uh,
what were your inputs to the freshers who will get into a job and who will leave in middle? So there are candidates who will have a zeal at front, and later in the middle part they'll leave the job, right? So please give some inputs for those candidates.
okay, like I have my journey with Byju's. It's been a long 8 months. First, I have when I have entered the Byju's, it's a 1 week training program for PSAs under. So first of all, I didn't understand anything, how to do the calling, anything I didn't understand. So we have got the handbook as well to follow the pitches and all.
Mhm.
So with the helpful of that, I have uh, prepared my own thing, how to pitch with the customers. It is in English. So when we will get the Telugu leads, when we are talking with the customers, of course we have to talk in Telugu only.
Yeah, yeah.
Only few members will speak in English. That is fair enough. Most of them we have to speak in Telugu itself. So we have to make that notes into Telugu, and we had to translate everything. And first it went, I got stuck somewhere when speaking in middle. First it went very slowly, and when I'm explaining about the Byju's, how it will be helpful for your children, I got stuck somewhere. And I have taken some inputs from the my manager's side. So they have given some instructions from them, and I have followed with this. And within 8 months, I have reached the target of uh, 32 lakhs. I have made the revenue,
Wow,
and
that sounds really good.
32 lakhs I have made the revenue, and have did 280 conductions.
Mm.
And yeah, 280 conductions, and it will have 60 sales have happened up to now.
Mm-hmm.
And there my manager and senior manager VP will be there. Senior above us, so they have checked my worthiness, how do they are checking. They will listen our recordings, everything,
Okay.
and everything they will monitor.
Okay.
And they feel that this is a capable person to handle the team as well.
Okay.
So they given priorly for few members, only 2 to 3 members we have given for trial purpose. I
Okay.
have handled the team very well.
Uh-huh.
So in handling the team also, we have made the sale of 5 lakhs
Wow.
within a week.
Mhm.
Uh, we have made a sale of 5 lakhs. So they have think that we can make the Gokul as a team lead. So they make the team lead. It's been a 1 month I'm being as a team.
Mhm. That's really inspiring, Akhil. So it's like it's all started like even even Chaitra and you, where the way you approached me, I just had I knew like people who are very interested, who are very anxious, and who have zeal and who can work hard. Only for those I'll do prefer these kind of salaries and these kind of amenities. So other people I'll just like I'll nurture them. It's not like every candidate has their own priorities and every candidate is different, so I'll nurture them, I'll give proper guidance. That's my own sole agenda. So I think like you're well settled. And are you living with your parents, or like you're living separately? You're living with your parents.
No, with it.
With parents, okay. Now you can you can sponsor yourself, you can build new house, anything you can do with your salary, right? It's like pretty much good salary, and even your bank balance would have gone to that level. And how are your parents feeling right now, like seeing at you? Are they inspired, or they like feeling very proud of you?
Yeah. Uh, Before I have zero, because if we are earning also, we are earning 1.5 lakhs per annum. That is very small amount based on our market condition.
Yeah.
Now I have gone through to 5.5. My parents are very proud on me. So they are buying for me some, with my money only. I'm buying some gold and all for my future person. And from Byju's, I got the award of last week only. I have got the award from the Byju's. I have been in laptop competition, so I have received laptop from the Byju's.
Well, good, well, good. Keep pushing yourself. I think you're gonna reach some other level which may be managerial more than moreover, because it's such a platform where your growth won't be stopped. With your work, with your hard puts, it's always like you'll be growing every day. So I'll wish all the luck, Akhil. And if you have any of your friends or colleagues, so you can definitely share my contact, as in you have my contact, right? So I'll be supporting candidates like you. I wanted candidates to show up their potentiality, and to have a life where everyone dreams of. Everyone has their own dream life. So that's there. If you help some other people, it may be just like giving you a boon from God or someone. Some miracle may happen if you change someone's life, right? So that's the main agenda. I wish all the luck. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. We can wind up
Same
the
to
call. And any more things to say about our organization, about my company?
It will be very helpful to join the your company.
Hmm.
So because we can learn more, okay, along with we can learn more about the technical and non-technical also. We can improve our communication skills is very easy by joining in your organization or in your institute.
Yeah.
So when I am speaking with you on first time, my communication skills are very less. So you have said the uh, good things and bad things in my communication. So I have improved that bad things to good things, and currently I am succeed because of you, sir. For that I want to thank first.
Thank you very much, Akhil. Stay happy. See you later. Yeah, we'll connect you. We'll keep connecting you on your success and stay healthy, Akhil. All the best. Bye bye.
Sure. Bye.